Good evening, students. Today we are going to start our grammar. Okay, some of the topics, 2 to 3 topics, I'm going to teach you all today. Today we are going to do compound words, word register, word chain, and alphabetical order. So let us start. So students, we are going to start with compound words. Now what is compound words? What is compound words? Words means the word that is made up of two or more words. Definition is two words are combined together to form a third word which conveys a totally different meaning. Such words are called compound words. मतलब one word means two different words combined together to form a new word. Example, lifeline. Again I am repeating, two words are combined together to form a third word which conveys a totally different meaning. Such words are called compound words. Example, fire plus work is equal to firework. Hand plus shake is equal to handshake. Class plus room is equal to classroom. Bear plus foot is equal to barefoot. Life plus stock is equal to livestock. ओके, दिस आर व्हाट क्लोज. ये क्या है? क्लोज है. इसमें बीच में कुछ कॉमा या फिर कुछ नहीं आएगा, फिर हाइफन कुछ नहीं आएगा. इसका और एक टाइप है, दैट इज हाइफिनेटेड कंपाउंड वर्ड्स, जैसे कि डॉटर इन लॉ, सिस्टर इन लॉ, ब्रदर इन लॉ. ओके, दिस डॉटर एक है, अलग वर्ड है, इन लॉज एक अलग वर्ड है, बट व्हेन इट joined together it forms a new word, that is daughter-in-law. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? hyphenated compound words. Hope you have understood this compound words. Now next is word register. Word register is a list of words associated with the given word. मतलब एक जो भी word दिया रहेगा उससे related you have to write more words. Okay, we have to keep it in mind. While preparing the word register, we are expected to enlist words which are closely associated with the word provided. मतलब जो वर्ड दिया उससे जो एकदम क्लोजली रिलेटेड है उसी वर्ड्स को हम लोग को लिखना है. ओके, अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, अ वर्ड रजिस्टर इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स एसोसिएटेड विद द गिवन वर्ड. मतलब जो वर्ड दिया रहेगा उसी वर्ड से रिलेटेड वी हैव टू राइट द डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. एग्जाम्पल, नेचर. नेचर से रिलेटेड क्या है? सैंड, सन, ट्रीज, डेजर्ट, बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स, माउंटेन. ओके, सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज स्कूल. तो स्कूल से रिलेटेड ब्लैक बोर्ड, books, pen, pencil, benches, teachers, chalks. Okay, register, classroom. So these are all what very closely related to these words. So more I will give you the words, you have to write it down. Okay, hope you have understood this word register. Now next is word chain. A word chain is a chain of words in which each word has to be framed differently based on the rules mentioned. Means in word chain there are some rules which you have to follow. It could be word beginning with the last 2 letters or 1 letter of the previous word or any other rule specified. ओके, वर्ड चेन में क्या होना चाहिए? एक तो लास्ट वर्ड से वो कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए या फिर लास्ट के 2 वर्ड्स यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, इफ अगर फर्स्ट वर्ड, अगर तुमने लास्ट के 2 वर्ड यूज किए, देन कंटिन्यू यू हैव टू यूज दैट लास्ट 2 वर्ड्स. इफ यू आर यूजिंग ओनली लास्ट 1 वर्ड ऑफ द वर्ड, last 1 letter of the word, then you can continue with only 1 letter. Now the rules to be followed: each word should begin with the same last two letters or only last letter as in the word given at the beginning of the chain. Each word should have minimum 5 letters. Avoid proper noun. These 3 rules you have to follow when you are doing the word chain. Okay. Now example. See here I have used 2 letters. Okay. Last के 2 letters को लेके मैंने आगे के words को continue किया. जैसे कि here it is prevented. ed. It is ending with ed. So ed से I have continued with educate. Educate का last word is te. te से I have temper. Temper का er से I have gone with error. Error last word is or. Or से I have done organic. Okay. Have you understood? अगर हम लोग सिर्फ लास्ट के एक ही वर्ड ले रहे डी, देन यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू इट विद ओनली डी. वॉट एवर वर्ड यू मीन्स अगर तुम 2 वर्ड यूज करें देन यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू ईच विद 2 letters. इफ यू आर कंटिन्यूइंग विद 1 letter देन यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू विद 1 letter only. Hope you have understood this word chain also. Hope students you have understood today's session. So in next online class we will again continue with our grammar or else with composition. Till then complete your notes, maintain the grammar book as well as your composition book properly. In composition section you have to write composition, in grammar section you have to write only the grammar. So maintain the proper book. So yeah, thank you. Stay safe, stay happy.